Now, B.V. Srinivas of the Congress has now taken this issue as far as the very same picture that has been used by the Homeland Department, saying that this poster has been posted by Trump administration using our pride, which is Taj Mahal, to label Indians as aliens and warning them to self-deport from America. Where is our cowardly Prime Minister hiding? Well, this security, posted a controversial message encouraging voluntary self-deportation and offering a free flight ticket and a cash incentive as well. And Namika, good morning. This post seems to have drawn sharp reactions from India as well. Congress leader Srinivas B.V. seems to be alleging that the campaign uses imagery of Taj Mahal to portray Indians as illegal aliens, as President Trump's administration calls them.
Well, yes, indeed, the politics has already begun here in the country, as we have seen that how a sharp attack has been made by the Congress party leader Srinivas B.V., in which he has questioned the government's stand over this entire matter, and even he has called Prime Minister Narendra Modi a coward, as the way in which this poster has been released by the Trump administration. He is basically saying that this is something which is related to our pride. The Taj Mahal, which is being portrayed in this particular poster, the Trump administration has labeled Indians as aliens and even warned them for self-deportation from America. And for that reason, he has basically stated that where is our coward Prime Minister hiding? So that is the kind of reaction which is coming in on the part of the Congress party. We have seen that how the U.S. Department of Homeland Security has promoted a self-deportation scheme using the imagery of Taj Mahal, and even they have offered the financial
incentive. An image of the Taj Mahal along with pictures of China and Colombia to urge migrants or illegal aliens, as they call them, living in the U.S. from these